Hello, my crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. Today, I have a wonderful craft haul to share with you. Last week, I received the Crafter's Companion Sarah's Signature Vintage Diary Collection. I absolutely love this. I purchased this the week before on HSN during their craft event. I am blown away with all the wonderful elements that you receive. I'm going to clear off my desktop so we can review the paper first. I'll be right back. In the collection, you receive four different elements. You have the 6 by 6, you have the 12 by 12 paper pad, the 12 by 12 vellum, and also the luxury mixed cardstock. So let's take a look at the 12 by 12 and the 6 by 6 collection first. The 12 by 12 paper collection is beautiful. I love all of the browns, the beiges. It has hints of pinks, mauves, and peaches. It's just a dreamy collection. This paper contains 48 sheets. You receive 4 each of 12 different designs, and the paper weight is 180 GSM. This is the first page, and you can see all of the beautiful collages. Here you've got the beautiful key and the vintage postcard. I love all of the printing in the background and this beautiful flower. Now, it says that this is not a double-sided collection. However, on the back, you have a muted page that looks like this that coordinates with the front. So I think this is a really beautiful piece. It's perfect for the inside of a box or a card. This is the next page. You have more of a muted background. I love the distressed drops here in the background. This is the next page. And as you can see, the back of the page is similar on all of these pages. This is the next design. Got this large, beautiful floral print here. I love this page. This woman reminds me of a character you'd see in a Jane Austen novel. I love the hints of blue here on the books as well as the roses. This is the next page. Now, one thing to notice is on the back, we went from the light tans to now we have a gray muted background. This is a beautiful page. I love the characters here. You have the little letters and the printed text in the background. This is a beautiful muted page. Here you have the text in the background, more of this wonderful distressing, and the beautiful letters and the floral and the stopwatch. Now, with this page too, you can also do a lot of fussy cutting. I can also see this on the front of a mini album or a card. On the back of this page, we have a light pink and then a muted mauve on the edges. Here we have this beautiful fleur-de-lis in the background and more print. We've got these beautiful flowers on the top, the printing on the side, and these wonderful letters here in the lower corner. I can imagine someone writing a love letter to her sweetie. We have a beautiful all-over floral print. I love the mixture of the peaches, the burgundies, and this dark green. Here we have a dictionary and an antique key. On the back now, we are back to the light muted grays. Here we have another all-over floral print. This is a really fun collage. You've got the harlequin pattern in the back with the roses, more of the print. You've got this wonderful antique bust and a clock. And I love this teacup here. There is a stamp that has this teacup in the collection. And this is the last page. It says C'est la vie. This beautiful rose here. I just love this collection. There's so many wonderful things that you can do with it. This is the 6 by 6 collection. It's exactly like the 12 by 12. I'll go through it quickly. The designs are exactly the same. They've just been minimized to a 6 by 6 side. So this is perfect for card making. Next, we have the vellum sheets. There are 12 by 12 sheets in this collection. So let me take this out. These pages mimic the paper collection. So as you can see here, you've got the envelopes and the flowers. And there's so many things you can do with this vellum. You can emboss it and distress it. This is the luxury mixed cardstock. You receive 24 pearlescent cards, and this is 250 GSM, so it's got a really nice weight to it. You receive 3 colors, so you have this cream with a hint of gold to it. You receive this lavender color. And I love that the color is the same on the front and the back. Sometimes with the pearlescent paper, it'll just be plain white on the back. The third color is this deep brown. It's got specks of gold in it. It's really a dark brown. This is gorgeous. Next, we have a variety of dies, stamp and die sets, sentiment stamps, and then rub-ons. So let's start with the dies first. First, we have this feathered quill, and we have the bottle, and I love the scroll detail on it. We have this heart lock and key. Again, this has a beautiful scroll detail. Next, we have the page edges. So you have the loose leaf paper as well as the torn edge of the paper. Next, we have 2 stamp and die sets. First is this antique frame. You receive 4 pieces in this kit, this larger stamp, as well as this frame here, and then the 2 dies that go with it. And then we have the pocket watch. We have sentiment stamps. This is called Adoring Sentiments. There are 15 pieces here, and here you can see some of the sentiments. Let me turn this over. The next stamp set is called Perfectly Parisian, and there are 9 pieces here. You receive the bird cage, Grand Maison, a feather, and a key. And last but not least, we have 4 pages of beautiful rub-ons. Next, we have a variety of embossing folders. The first one is a 3D embossing folder, and this is called A Moment in Time. Here you have the beautiful quill with a bottle. You've got text in the background as well as a chevron pattern. Here's a closer look at it. You also receive a regular embossing folder, and this is called Dear Diary. This also has script writing in the back as well as a stack of books and a teacup. This is what it looks like. Next, we have the wooden frames and corners. There are 8 pieces in this box. You can see an example of the frames and the corners. Next, we have this beautiful cotton ribbon. Let me take this out of the box. You have 2 different ribbons on this wooden spool. You have the butterflies and the script writing. And last but not least, you have the wax seal kit. You have this beautiful crown, and you have this cross design, and you have 2 sets of wax. You've got a gold and this beautiful purple color. This concludes my review of the Crafter's Companion Sarah Signature Vintage Diary Collection. This is a beautiful collection that is packed with so many wonderful crafty elements. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and please subscribe to my channel. Also, be sure to visit my channel to see what beautiful projects I've made with this collection. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.